Sister Wives, Janelle Brown celebrates her first birthday without Garrison Brown. And Mary Brown slammed for charging $600 from fans to join her new project. Also Mary teaches new project. Releasing a tell-all book. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel. Janelle Brown has been spending more time with her kids since she lost her son Garrison Brown. She never imagined losing her beloved son at a young age. But the Sister Wives star has been moving with positivity and hope. Garrison memories will forever stay in Janelle's heart. But she has been courageously moving forward to live with a new spirit. She keeps sharing her small efforts to overcome the biggest tragedy of life. Janelle's daughter Madhi has been helping her mom a lot since the family tragedy. The former has been spending a lot of time at her daughter's place. Recently, Madison Brown celebrated her mom's birthday with a cake and some garden work. Sister Wives, Janelle spends her birthday gardening and cutting cake. Sister Wives star Janelle Brown has been indulging in new activities to move on from the loss of her son Garrison Brown. She has been checking on her children and spending a lot of time with them. However, Madison Brown has been making sure to be with her mom on her most important days. Recently, Janelle returned to North Carolina again after spending time with her kids in Flagstaff. She has been in the presence of her grandkids, too, and loves involving them in new activities. Recently, Janelle turned 55 and decided to spend the day with some gardening work. But Madhi made sure to celebrate her mom's birthday before anything. Janelle uploaded a picture of herself smiling at the birthday cake. The reality TV personality sported a blue-printed top and tied her hair in a bun. Janelle wrote, "A little red-faced from working in the garden." She went ahead to include a drooling emoji to share that the cake was yummy. Janelle also took Sister Wives fans to the Instagram feed to share a new video of her garden work. She recorded herself while showing off the new additions in the same place. Janelle informed the fans that she would be spending a lot of time in North Carolina this year with her daughter and the grandkids. Hence, they made some big plans for the garden. Moreover, the TLC star added, "I am looking forward to learning how to grow veggies in a climate that has such a long season." Sister Wives fans praise Janelle's way of healing herself. Sister Wives star Janelle Brown has already been popular for her genuine and kind-hearted soul. Garrison's death has devastated her from the inside. But she has been showing a lot of bravery since the tragedy. Janelle has been putting a brave smile on her face and moving forward with new confidence. She has been finding ways to heal herself to avoid being sad or depressed. The TLC star recently shared her idea of gardening at Madhi home. Fans were happy to see that Janelle has been using the right ways to heal herself. One fan said, "Tending your garden is such a great way to start any healing that needs to be." Meanwhile, the others loved her new garden beds. Moreover, a different fan stated, "Cannot wait to see the garden grow, a great way to spend the summer." Sister Wives star Mary Brown has been on social media for her new venture. She has been dropping hints for fans about her passion project for a long time. The TLC star kept the audience on their toes about the launch of her new venture, Worthy Up. Mary wanted to build a platform for people struggling to find their worth and gain confidence. She has been sharing several updates about the launch of her new venture. After months of anticipation, Mary finally launched her new business on Facebook. She also shared the subscription prices with the potential customers. However, fans started backlashing the celebrity after finding the jaw-dropping subscription prices. Sister Wives fans criticize Mary Brown for unbelievable subscription prices. Sister Wives star Mary Brown has just launched her most anticipated business, Worthy Up, on Facebook. She has been teasing fans about her upcoming project for months. The TLC star wanted to describe her new venture as a community focused on transformation and self-discovery. She wanted to build a safe place for individuals to grow and connect. However, it seems that the fans are not happy with the subscription prices of her new business. Mary fans had to pay $150 per year for a digital membership to be a part of the Facebook group for 1 year. Moreover, they would get a printable PDF workbook along with first-hand information on all the events and Worthy Up merchandise. Mary has also been charging $300 for an Inspiration membership and $600 for an Impact membership plan. But, Sister Wives fans were angry after learning about the shocking subscription prices. Several fans called out the celebrity for charging unreasonable prices for the plan. One fan stated, "Very expensive. You are missing out on people by charging $600 a year." Meanwhile, others called her out for positioning herself as a counselor without the required qualifications. Another fan chimed, "You're pathetic as asterisk is trying to be a life coach for others." They also pointed out that the reality TV star was trying to scam her audience with her subscription prices. Sister Wives, Mary Brown shares first glimpse of Worthy Up merch package. Sister Wives star Mary Brown has been super busy these days with her new business launch. She has been sharing every new detail of her venture to create a buzz among the audience. Finally, the TLC star has launched her new project, Worthy Up. She has informed her fans about the website to help them in joining her group. Moreover, the reality TV star gave them a look at her first merchandise package. She took to Instagram recently to give her followers a sneak peek at one of her Worthy Up merch. Mary posted a picture of a customized mug, diary, pen, and baseball cap that her subscribers will get. Fans could easily spot the logo of Worthy Up printed on each product to promote her new venture. Mary Brown hinted about writing her tell-all book a long time ago. She wanted to share her side of the story with fans. Sister Wives fans have been waiting for the announcement of the new book since she threw hints about this. Well, Mary has a lot on her sleeve right now. She has worked on several projects in the past. The TLC star has been putting great effort into running her Heritage Inn and making it the ideal place for her guests. Mary has also been working for her merchandise business and reaching new heights of success. Moreover, she has been working on something new for a while. Recently, she teased the audience about her latest project, and fans speculated that it was a tell-all book. Sister Wives fans asked Mary about her tell-all book. Mary Brown has been moving forward with grace. She has become a successful businesswoman and enjoyed every bit of her life. The Sister Wives star has been teasing fans about her new project for a while. Recently, she posted a new video to share the new project finally. She posted a video of herself sitting on the porch of her home. The TLC star kept her head down and wrapped her hands tightly around her knees. Mary gave the vibe of a very lonely or sad soul. Several voices could be heard from the background, saying, "Are you going to cry? Fake freak, nobody loves you," etc. Finally, the camera focused on her face. And she looked up. The clip went from black and white to color, and she gave a sly smile. Mary gave a serious look, and a text overlay appeared that read, "I'm done allowing other people to tell me what I am worthy of." The video ended after the Worthy Up logo flashed on the screen. She wrote, "It's almost here. Are you ready?" In the caption. Several fans started speculating about whether Mary was launching her tell-all book after the video. One fan said, "I bet she wrote an all-tell book she going to release. I would so read that." Meanwhile, others were guessing if Mary would drop a podcast or a diss track. Another fan noted, "A book about going through a horrible, nasty, lonely struggling time. Further, a different fan noted that her book would be a bestseller for sure. Sister Wives, Mary Brown starts new journey with her latest venture. Sister Wives star Mary Brown has been keeping her followers on the toes about her new venture. She has been sharing several updates about the launch of her passion project. Mary would be making an online community to focus on transformation and self-discovery. Recently, she shared another video ahead of the launch of the new project. Mary posted the same video in color that she posted previously in black and white. Moreover, the TLC star was encouraging her fans in the video through her motivational words. Mary wrote, "Tomorrow the journey begins. Are you with me?" in the caption. Further, fans were excited to see that she had come a long way in her journey. Sister Wives star Kody Brown has made many mistakes in the past. He appeared toxic, male chauvinist, and narcissistic. TLC paints him as the biggest villain in the family, one who never respects his wives and children. Kody joined the series to feature his large polygamous family on TV screens. But he became one of the most hated celebrities in the reality TV world. He neglected his children and other wives during the years. Kody became distant from his older kids and became the best dad for his favorite wife's kids. However, the family went through the most tragic phase recently after Garrison's death. The network hasn't shared anything about season 19. So, fans are speculating about whether TLC will give Kody a chance to redeem his mistakes in the next season. Sister Wives, will season 19 be Kody redemption for the past troubles? The Brown family has been going through the toughest phase since Garrison's death. The entire family came under the same roof to honor their beloved member memories. Sister Wives star Kody and Janelle had the most messy split, and they never wanted to face each other again. But the exes crossed paths again, and shared the ache in their hearts after losing their son. Kody was seen sitting in a devastated state at his son's funeral pictures. Previously, the Sun also reported that Kody has been depressed and confined himself in a dark place after losing his son. The TLC star hasn't made any public appearance since the family tragedy. Some fans started assuming that TLC might give Kody a chance to redeem his mistakes in the upcoming season. The network has not shared any updates about the filming of season 19. But viewers have been curious to find out if Kody will let the network portray him as the family villain. They think that the family tragedy has given the network a chance to polish Kody's reputation. Still, it would require a lot of effort from the TLC star to change the narrative. He needs to show concern toward his older children and apologize to his ex-wife. The reality TV celebrity has degraded his reputation due to his bitterness and narcissistic behavior. Hence, he needs to pull down a lot of work to regain his reputation and become a hero. Further, it depends entirely on how much Kody and the other members would let the network film the family tragedy. Sister Wives, will Kody Brown reconcile with older kids? Sister Wives star Kody Brown lost his beautiful and large polygamous family because of his ego and narcissism. But the TLC star favoritism towards his fourth wife and her children ruined everything. The last few seasons have been filled with non-stop drama and controversies. Eventually, all three wives left Kody and moved on with their lives. Kody's cold and absent behavior towards his kids also impacts his bond with them. Moreover, the family recently reunited at Garrison's farewell. Now, the fans are wondering if the family dynamics changed, even a bit. They speculate about whether Kody would reconcile with his older kids and make an effort to give them the love they deserve. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.